Second one, sine 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 sine 65. Now sine 25 you can write as cos 65, no? That is sine 25 is equal to cos of 90 minus 25. So it will be cos 65. So sine 25 is equal to cos of 90 minus 25. So it is cos 65. So same way cos 25 is equal to sine 65 you can write. So sine cos 25 is equal to sine of 90 minus 25, or it is sine 65. So change that to sine 25 you can change into cos 65. So you will get cos 65 into cos 65 plus sine 65 into sine 65. So cos into cos, so it will be cos square 65 and sine square 65. So that value will be equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So please note, one of the sign will be one either sine or cos will you have to change, and either into 25 or into 65 you can change, but not both. Okay. Now fourth question. This one was third, second. Choose the correct option. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. So 9 is common there. So you will get sec square a minus tan square a. What is sec square a minus tan square a? That is equal to 1. So it will be 9 into 1, or it is equal to 9. Now second one, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So 1 plus tan theta into plus sec theta, then cot theta minus cosec theta it is. So here one plus tan theta you can change that one. We'll change that tan, sec, cot, cosec, everything in terms of sine or cos. So you will get 1 plus tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. Again here 1 by cos theta. 1. Here it will come cos theta by sine theta minus 1 by sine theta. So taking LCM you will get cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 by cos theta. Again here you will get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Take this cos theta plus sin theta as one term and 1 as the second term. So you will get this one A and this one B. So you are getting A plus B and A minus B. So what is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So you will get cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 square by cos theta sin theta. Then open the bracket, you are getting cos square theta plus sin square theta, then plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. But we know that cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. That 1 will be get cancelled. You are getting 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. Now this will get cancelled. You are getting that is equal to 2. So how we have done that one? So we changed everything, that tan, sec, cot, cosec, everything in terms of sin and cos. Then took LCM, then made use of the identity A plus B into A minus B. Then cancelled. So your final answer is 2. Now next one, ck plus tan A by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A equal to. So third one, sec A plus tan A, then into 1 minus sin A. So sec and tan A we can take in terms of sine and cos. So you will get 1 by cos A sin A by cos A. So here 1 minus sin A. So here LCM is cos A. So you can take cos A 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So what is this one? A plus B into A minus B. So it is A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square A by cos A. What is 1 square? 1 itself. 1 minus sin square A by cos A. What is 1 minus sin square A? That is equal to cos square A. Cos square A by cos A. So 1 cos you can cancel. What will remain? Cos A will remain. So your answer is cos A. Then fourth one, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So here you can change that one. 1 plus tan square A. I'm changing this cot square into 1 by tan square A. So it will be 1 plus tan square A by, take LCM, tan square A plus 1 by tan square A, or that will be get cancelled, or 1 plus tan square A, this one will go up, tan square A by, here rearrange 1 plus tan square A. No, tan square A plus 1 you can write 1 plus tan square A. So it will get cancelled. Answer is tan square A. So you got that all 4. Then from fifth sum of the easiest one we will discuss. Fifth one, first. Now first one, cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So cosec theta you can write as 1 by sin theta. Cot theta you can write as 1 by 1 cos theta by sin theta. Now whole square it is. So it will be sin theta is the LCM you are getting. So sin theta by 1 minus cos theta you will get. So here also square, here also square will come. So 1 minus cos theta you can write the whole square. Sin square theta you can write in terms of cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Now it is in the form a square minus b square. So you will get 1 minus cos theta the whole square by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta you can avoid. So you will get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See here in almost all the problems we are using the identities. That is the factorization chapter, polynomials. No. So that identity is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, then here a plus b into a minus b form. So always remember that identities to solve such problems. Now here second one, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. You have to prove that is equal to 2 sec a. Now just take LCM here. LCM is sin 1 plus sin a into cos a. So when you are taking that one, you will get cos square a, then 1 plus sin a the whole square will be equal to cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now expand this one. So cos square A, no change. A plus B the whole square. So it will be A square, 1 square itself, 2 sin A, then sin square A by cos A, 1 plus sin A. Now look at here, cos square plus sin square. Cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So 1, again 1 is there, 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now you got 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So 2 you can take outside. So if you are taking 2 outside, it will be 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So that 1 plus sin A you can cancel. What will remain? 1 by cos A. What is 1 by 2 by cos A? What is 1 by cos A? That is equal to sec A. So it will be 2 into sec A. It is actually 2 by cos A. It is actually 2 into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is sec A. So you will get 2 sec A. So how we done? Just took LCM, then expanded this one in terms of A plus B the whole square, and took this one A square plus sin square plus cos square, that is equal to 1, added that one to this one, then took 2 outside, cancelled, remaining we arranged. Then fourth one, you can simplify LHS and RHS separately. So both of that it will be same you will get. So fourth one, 1 plus sec A by sec A equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So first this side we will take 1 plus sin sec A by sec A. So 1 plus cos 1 by cos A by 1 by cos A. So taking LCM, cos A plus 1 by 1 by cos A. So it will be into cos A. Now here sin square you will get sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square A by cos A is there. So it will get cancelled, remaining it will come cos A plus 1 here. Now when we proceed this one, 1 sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, and then 1 minus cos A. Here you have to use A square minus B square form, so it will be A plus B into A minus B. So 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A, here 1 minus cos A, so 1 minus cos A will get cancelled. Here also you are getting 1 plus cos A. So both sides LHS is equal to RHS you got. both sides are equal. So that's how we have proved that fourth one.